Hit that subscribe, share, like button, comment down below, and pound and smash that bell notification, right? As you can see, what we were talking about in our little parody we did last week on my way to work very early in the morning, as there's an all-out assault. Vincenzo, there's an all-out assault on crypto going on right now. They're fleet heisting and shiesting with regulations to crash the crypto market, which I tried to tell you that in that little parody last week, and you can now see Binance chief Changpeng Zhao warns of cascading crypto crisis. Sam Bankman-Fried's cryptocurrency exchange files for bankruptcy. I told you earlier in the week when that whole fiasco started, FTX was bankrupt. The coin went to zero. The second biggest exchange in the world, gone, right? FTX crypto fiasco, the Wall Street Journal, Reuters. Exclusive behind FTX fall, battling billionaires and a failed bid to save crypto. CoinDesk, crypto FTX reopens. Bankman's withdrawals. Breaking FTX partially resumes withdrawals. Blockchain data shows, because the damage has been done and there's no money to take out anymore. Crypto billionaire in the shithouse. Let's go look at the other crypto. There was another article that was critical this morning. I took a video clip of it. Let's go into here. Don't worry, I'll block all this out right now. You won't be able to see it. We are shocked. We are shocked and dismayed by the news regarding FTX and Alameda. We, like the rest of the world, found out about the situation through Twitter. Given the lack of clarity on the status of FTX.com, FTX US, and Alameda, we are not able to operate. And this is BlockFi, right? It's a big company right here. Given the lack of clarity, we are not able to operate business as usual. Our priority has been and will continue to be to protect our clients and their interest. Until there is further clarity, we are limiting platform activity, including pausing client withdrawals, which is step one, as we now know via the Celsius, as we call this on Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing when exchanges start to do this, like Celsius, like Three Arrows Capital, like FTX, and like so many other of these crypto exchanges that have went belly up. The first thing that they do is they limit platform activity, which always includes at first client withdrawals as allowed under the terms, right? They sneak that into that small fine print that nobody reads. We'll share more specific as soon as possible, which means as soon as they go bankrupt and everything goes to zero that they own, that you're trying to get out of BlockFi wallet, it'll be gone, and then they'll have more clarity. Request that clients not deposit to BlockFi wallet or interest accounts at this time. No shit. We intend to communicate as frequently as possible going forward, but anticipate that this will be less frequent than what our clients and our stakeholders are used to, right? And that is bad news, and BlockFi is going to be the next exchange to go down, and this is going to be a cascading effect. As we told you, when this started back in June, with the first few going out, we told you that this would not be contained, and this would not be small. It would be ever expanding like a virus and a disease, and now it is. And you can see BlockFi is about to go under, and this is just another hit to the crypto industry. And now governments are starting to say it's partially their fault for the loose regulatory things that they had. So heavy regulations is going to come on this. You can see we're currently having a crypto dump. I wish I would have shorted this. And in Bitcoin, real quick, the critical level you need to watch is this low that we hit yesterday or 2 days ago in the great crypto dump, right, of November the 9th. If you can hold that double bottom, you could catapult back up into here to that $19,000 level. If you break this double bottom, you're going to have a quick flush all the way to that 13,000 and change target that we've had on here for quite some time, right? 13,336. Since the price of Bitcoin was at 63,336 and rising, you would hit this target if this is not held, and you would more than likely come down to the last line of defense, to the shithouse, where some major buyers are down here at 11,593. And you say, Vincenzo, why the fuck would there be buyers down there? Well, because it's very simple. Look at in August and September of 2020. You got a long resistance consolidation, and if we zoom back, you can see, look at all this consolidation we had on this as we zoom out to the daily time frame. You see all this? This is why the buyers are there. On your first big pump up in 2018, had a lot of consolidation and then quick resistance there. Then we had the relief rally in 2019 where the bull market, all these fleece heisters and shysters was saying by 2020 you'd be at $500,000 right here. Then you got rejected. Then you held this as major resistance for about a year and a half until you blew back by. So that tells you, with all this resistance right here and resistance right here, that on the way back down from way up there, there's going to be a lot of buyers in this level, and that could catapult you up for a nice bear market rally from here. And that's where I'd be watching out for, would be down here, where we're going to put a new price target, because we have not had a price target on here, down here, but we're going to go and put a price target down here at $11,801.04 as a major underneath target if this is breached today, right? Or if this double bottom low is breached right up in there. And that's what we're looking at. Like there, the XLM is the same thing. It already came down to the last line of defense to the shithouse at 0.0789716. And what you need to hold on any kind of fall down is you need to hold that bottom down here as we zoom in to the 2-hour time frame. And you can see it came up yesterday, bounced off of there, ran right back up to old major support. This was all major support back there at the 10-cent level, and it quickly got rejected in that classic hook nose Jew reversal pattern, bearish reversal pattern. And now what you would look is, if it comes all the way down, you have to hold this level to try to bounce back up and maybe breach this, because if you broke that double bottom and got into here, you're coming straight down to the 2.618 Fibonacci golden retracement level. The same thing with XRP. It came all the way down here. It came all the way down here into the last line of defense, or the volume indicator zone, not the last line of defense, the major volume profile between 29 and 32 cents. It wicked down on the great November 9th dump, got a quick bottom right here and quickly reversed and came back up to that critical 37 cents that we've been talking about for months as major support. And then it came back through it. Now it's trying currently to test it as major resistance or major support, and it's trying to hold it. But you can see in the minute time frame, notice how it came straight back through. And then when it consolidated here, it consolidated under that 37 cents, which is bearish. As the volume continues to decline, that's telling me this thing's about to come back down and come back down hard. And if that does happen, you better hope and pray, if you're an XRP swing trader, that you hold that double bottom right here, or you're going to come all the way down and hit this 18 to 20 cent target this weekend that we've been talking about since October of 2021. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Side stop to profitability.